Students, now goes to the next lesson, that is animal tissues. In this, students, animal tissues, tissue formed with the union of the combination of the cells. Same shape and the size and the function, that is shows by the cells. These are the cells are united and form the tissues. Student, tissue is with the cells having same shape and the size and the function also. Still, the tissue term coined by Bichat. Tissue, the term is coined by Bichat. He is also considered as father of histology. Student, what about the histology? Histology means study about the tissues. Present in the organism. That is called histology, also called microanatomy, student. And it is the tissue that consists of cells. Tissue consists of cells, and between the cells, student, between the cells there is a extracellular matrix. Between the cells are arranged in locates in particular region, and between the cells there is a substance. That is, the substance is called present at the outside of the cell. That is called extracellular matrix. Extracellular matrix present between the cells, not in the inner part of the cells, present between the cells. Student, there is a, between the cells there is a substance, there is a matrix, that is called extracellular matrix. One tissue that consists of cells, and between the cells there is a extracellular matrix. Student, extracellular matrix is different, vary in composition from one type of the tissue to the another type of the tissue. Next, student, there are 4 types of the tissues, animal tissues present in the animal. If you observe, higher metazoans, higher vertebrates, there are 4 types of the animal tissues are present. This first one is epithelial tissue, second one is connective tissue, third one is muscular tissue, fourth one is nervous tissue. In this first one, about the epithelial tissue. What about the epithelial tissue? What about the composition? What about the arrangement of the epithelial tissue? What about the function of the epithelial tissue? In this student, epithelial tissue covers the outer body of animal, outer surface of the animal, body of animal totally covered with the epithelial tissue. Next, internal organs. Body, inner part of the body consists of different organs. These are the organs also covered with the epithelial tissue. These are the organs surrounds with the epithelial tissue. Next, body cavity. Body cavity, student, body cavity entire lined with the body cavity, that means coelom totally lined with the covered with the epithelial tissue. That is, the epithelial tissue is derived from mesoderm. Next, epithelial tissue present in the body of animal, it is originate from the any one of the germinal layer. Germinal layers are 3 in number: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. This is the epithelial tissue is generate from any one of these 3 germinal layers. Next, student, epithelium derived from the mesoderm. mesoderm that develops the epithelium, that is the epithelium which is produced from the mesoderm layer, that is called coelomic epithelium, not endothelium student, that is called coelomic epithelium, also called mesothelium. Mesothelium derived from the mesoderm. Next mesothelium of the inner surface of blood vessel, not a blood student, blood vessel. Okay, inner surface of the blood vessel. Mesothelium of the inner surface of the blood vessel. Mesothelium of inner surface of the blood vessel. Already you know about the blood vessel, that are the tubes transfer the blood. Okay student, circulates the blood, that is blood vessel. These are different into two types, arteries and the veins. Blood reaches to the target places, organs, tissues in the body by the help of the blood vessels. If you observe the wall of the blood vessel, the inner surface of the blood vessel, that is formed by the mesothelium. Inner surface of the blood vessel, that is formed by the mesothelium, that is the mesothelium of the blood vessel. Mesothelium of the blood vessel, that is called endothelium. Okay student, endothelium. Inner surface of the blood vessel, that is called, that is epithelial cell, that consists epithelial tissue, epithelial cells called endothelium. Next student, cells of the epithelium. The epithelial tissue present cells, okay, with the cells. These are the cells are combined together and held together. Okay, one of the cell connecting with the another. These are held together by the help of the intercellular cementing substance. Okay, that is the substance present between the cells of the epithelial tissue. The cells of the epithelial tissue held together by the help of the cementing substance. Okay, it is intercellular, that means this is the substance present between the cells, that means intercellular. Okay, next, epithelium present on basement membrane. Epithelium present on basement membrane. Student, epithelium, that is the tissue present on the basement membrane. Student, it is the basement membrane. Student, it is the basement membrane. It is total the basement membrane. It is the epithelial tissue. Student, it is the epithelial tissue present on the basement membrane. Okay, and it is the basement membrane secretes by epithelial cells again. These are the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is with epithelial cells. These are the epithelial cells secretes basement membrane, and this is the epithelial tissue present on the basement membrane also. Okay, next student, basement membrane consists basal lamina and reticular lamina. Lamina means thin layer. Student, this is the basement membrane, consists basal lamina. This is the basal lamina. This is the reticular lamina. Okay student, this is the basal lamina is locates underneath the epithelial tissue. Okay, next, another student, this is the reticular lamina is above the connective tissue. Reticular lamina above the connective tissue. This is the connective tissue. Okay, basement membrane consists of basal lamina close to the epithelial cells and reticular lamina. Reticular lamina, student, it is the reticular lamina. This is above the connective tissue. Reticular lamina above the connective tissue. Okay, students, if you observe, connective tissue is there. Above the connective tissue there is a basement membrane. This is the basement membrane, divides into two layers, thin layers. Upper layer is called basal lamina and under layer, that is called reticular lamina. Above the basement membrane or above the basal lamina there is a epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue consists of epithelial cells, and between the cells there is a extracellular matrix. The cells present in the epithelial tissue is held together by intercellular cementing substance. Next, epithelial tissue is avascular. Avascular means blood vessels are absent. Student, in this epithelial tissue, where the epithelial tissue is present in the body, and this is the tissue is avascular. Avascular means blood vessels are absent. Okay, and it is the epithelial tissue is obtain nourishment, obtain food particles. Okay, by the help of the underlying connective tissue, by the help of the diffusion process. By the help of the diffusion process from the connective tissue, it is the epithelial tissue receives nourishment and also oxygen. Student, by the process of the diffusion. Okay. Next, student, surface of epithelial cells consist microvilli or stereocilia. Surface of the epithelial cells, consist, student, microvilli or stereocilia. What about the microvilli? Microvilli are tiny finger-like projections. Microvilli are tiny finger-like projections. Microvilli are tiny finger-like projections, students. These are tiny finger-like projections present above the surface of the epithelial cells. Okay, called microvilli, and these are the finger-like projections. Finger-like projections are covered by thick coat of the glycoprotein, also called glycocalyx. Glycoprotein. Okay, and these are the finger-like projections helps in increasing the absorptive surface of epithelium. Student, where the tiny finger-like projections are present, and at the same time this increases the absorptive surface of the epithelium. Next, where these microvilli are present, student, wall of the intestine. Next, proximal convoluted tubule of the nephron. Inner surface of the proximal convoluted tubule of the nephron. The nephron, these are the structural functional units of the kidney. Okay, and if you observe, proximal convoluted tubule of the nephron, okay, Malpighian corpuscle, renal tubule. These are the two parts of nephron. Renal tubule divides into three parts: proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule. Inner surface of the proximal convoluted tubule, that consists microvilli. Okay, student. Next, student, stereocilia. What about stereocilia? Elongated, non-motile movement is not possible by these structures. Elongated, non-motile, Cytoplasmic extensions. These are the structures formed by the extension of the protoplasm present in the cells of the epithelial tissue. Okay, stereocilia present in some regions. Epithelial cells of the epididymis. Epididymis, these are the parts present at the male reproductive system. Okay, student, epididymis are the parts of the male reproductive system. Okay, inner surface of the epididymis, these are the tube-like structures. Okay, which helps in transfer the sperm cells. Okay, epithelial cells of the epididymis and internal ear, inner part of the ear, that consists stereocilia.